Just left our camp at Davis Bayou, and it was great. It was actually a really nice campground. We actually talked about it. We would definitely go back there. In fact, it's a perfect place if you want to spend like a week in or around Biloxi, New Orleans area. We just came out of the Winn-Dixie. Good old Winn-Dixie, as you can see there. Look at my glasses. It's very hot, very muggy this morning. I just made a pit stop here to grab some coffee creamer because we don't know if we're gonna hit another grocery store. We're probably gonna hit a gas station at some point. I don't know if we'll hit one before or after New Orleans. Probably definitely before Baton Rouge. We'll see. So it looks like we're about to cross over into Louisiana here in a minute. Got the camera ready just in case there's like a sign or something. Might be the Mississippi River that we're about to cross. We're not 100% sure. It doesn't really say on the map here, but I'm sure there'll be a sign up here. Waking up. Jefferson Parish, Louisiana. We're gonna go see if Steven Seagal is out patrolling or not, doing his lawman thing out here in Louisiana.
When they said fried veggies, I was thinking just like sauteed vegetables. I was like, okay.
All right, guys, we just ate at vegan-friendly foods over there, and yeah, we're hitting the road now. But vegan-friendly foods was super great. They had a lot of really good vegan soul food there. I had the red beans and rice with mashed potatoes and collard greens, and she had the fried vegetables, the mashed potatoes, and the barbecue cauliflower. I also got a piece of cornbread to go for later. That's right, Baton Rouge, Louisiana. The food's good here, the people are nice here, the traffic is terrible. We're gonna go head to the grocery store. Crossing over this little bridge here. We're in Beau Bridge, Louisiana. Maybe this is Beau Bridge, I don't know. Here's what it looks like on this side. And we're hooking left. All right, we're about 3 miles away from our camping destination at Lake Fausse Pointe State Park in Louisiana. But pretty nice scenery out here. It's real green. We're running parallel to a river. I don't know the name of the river at the moment, but we'll be in the campground soon. Okay, we've made it into our camp spot number 14 here. Staying here tonight and tomorrow night, so it's gonna be a good amount of footage from here. As long as there's fun stuff to do, we'll see. There's some hiking trails. Swamp is literally right behind our camp back there. Probably some gators, probably a lot of snakes. There's a whole lot of snakes here in Louisiana. They do have bears too, black bears. And basically the mosquitoes are, not only the mosquitoes, the other bugs here are just about prehistoric. Almost like in Mississippi where they're the size of golf balls or bigger. So yeah, out here, that's just swamp. As far as you can see. I know I'm using the wide angle lens, so it's hard to see. I'll get some footage of it later though, and maybe go explore, see what kind of critters we can find. It's really hot. Bugs are crazy. Not bugs, mosquitoes. Not different types of bugs, but one in particular is really aggravating. There's people actually like using smoke things around their camp just to smoke the bugs away. Look at this vine though. Isn't that wicked? It goes all the way up. But yeah, I think we're gonna get the fire going here just to hopefully get some of the mosquitoes away from us. We're being attacked as we speak. Now we don't have any fire starters. We forgot to get that at the store. Look at that, you can see the bugs flying around. But I'm gonna use my Georgia fatwood. I'm gonna burn this tonight. Use that to start the fire since we don't have a fire starter. See how that goes. All right, getting the fire going was a success with the fat wood. It's pretty easy. I probably should have recorded that, but I actually saved quite a bit of the fat wood. I didn't need much of it at all. So yeah, and yeah. Oh, she has a drink. Inga has a drink going on.
It's my new favorite. It's my southern drink. I've been drinking it the whole time I've been in the South.
That's right. Still in bed in the back of the truck. It's morning. It got cold. It got cold. We actually had to get under the blankets for the first time in a couple weeks. It's been a couple weeks probably. But we're gonna get up, get some coffee going. Big old owl. He's just sitting there in the tree watching me. But he's been flying down trying to catch stuff near the swamp water. It's morning, it's like 8:30-ish. He's back behind so many branches and stuff, it's really hard for me to focus on him. Beautiful, beautiful animal though. So we made it to the trailhead. There's 3 different trails. As you can see here, different lengths. Trail C is supposed to be the hardest, but it also has supposedly a really good overlook. Trail B, however, has cell phone signal, so we might actually do Trail B. Wow, look at him, he's big.
Oh, he ate it.
You got it? There he is, the American alligator. Finally. Didn't see any in Florida. Didn't see any in Mississippi. But we finally found one here in Louisiana. What a beautiful creature. And this is what the gator's home looks like. We just crossed the bridge over there and got some video of a gator swimming around, so it's our first live alligator sighting. So that was pretty cool. Been waiting for that for a long time. Move around in the water over there. Okay, so even rarer than the American alligator is the American payphone. And I've just found one over here in the wild. Looks to be in good shape. So we're just gonna leave it be and move on. It's been a good campground as far as wildlife goes. I mean, you've seen the gator, obviously. We also had an owl come to our camp this morning and just kind of hang out and try to catch some, we think were frogs in the swamp. And then also had a little friendly raccoon come and just kind of sit by our truck last night and patiently wait for us to feed him. We didn't feed him, but he was very nice about it. We're by the boat dock on the water here on the lake. See any gators here or anything like that, but there is cell phone signal for just, you get like 1 bar here, so. All right, so Inga's making some lunch. We got some sandwiches with some Follow Your Heart cheese and the tofurkey for our ham there. Clausen pickles. Inga's a pickle snob, so we can only eat Clausen pickles. All right, so we're inside the air-conditioned laundry room of our state park here at Lake Fausse Pointe State Park. We're washing a load of laundry. Hopefully this will be the last load that we have to wash before our home stretch home after San Antonio and stuff, so we'll see. When it was really hot yesterday, we came in here a few times to hang out. Today's not so hot because it's actually super windy, so it's like 70-ish, but not too hot. Good news, the dryer actually worked. We've had a couple experiences where we go to do laundry at some of the state parks or even hotels, and it's not possible. And we've had to go to laundromats and stuff like that. Now this is only, what, the 3rd time that we've had to do laundry all together on the trip. So overall, it's not like we're, you know, having to do this all the time or anything. It's really nice. Good job, Louisiana. Louisiana State Parks for the win on this one. So we just got back with the laundry. There's a bunch of kids, they're pretty far back there, so you probably won't see them, but there's a bunch of kids looping around the campground, and they're doing like trick-or-treating with costumes on and all the whole 9 yards, basically. But it's only October 16th, so I don't know, we weren't expecting anything like that. So I'm sorry to say we don't have any candy for the kids that are walking by. And they're probably thinking, well, Idaho sucks, because our license plate's from Idaho. But we didn't know. All right, we're cooking the last of our incognito burgers. I'm outside the truck spying on Inga, who's inside in bed, playing with her tablet. You can kind of see the bed there. We got some dryer sheets hanging up because the mosquitoes. So we're trying to cut down on them. What, babe? We're gonna watch Longmire right now. We got some downloaded episodes. We don't have any kind of signal out here or anything like that.
Can you see my bar of how I managed to watch my tablet?
Yeah, although I don't know if we've ever actually showed this thing before, but yeah, we have a shower curtain up above which holds our portable fan and our tablet, so that way when we're laying down in bed over there, we can actually watch shows and enjoy them without sitting up all the time.